What's going on, guys? Today I got something a little bit different today. I've been wanting to make content creation for quite a while now. My biggest caveat with that and why I haven't is the Meta Glasses battery life wasn't as I thought it would be. It wasn't enough for the type of content creation that I did want to make. So I did go ahead and buy an Osmo Pocket 3, and it is a really good purchase. I've only made a couple videos with myself, but the quality of it is just great. I do want to talk about the Focus ST right now. It is a 2017 Focus ST, and I did go ahead and buy it with 103,000 miles on it. We are sitting about 112,000 now, about 7-8 months later. I have cut down on driving it so much, getting out of the honeymoon phase, but I just want to give an updated review and all the modifications I've done to it. To start off, I did go ahead and buy the vehicle with NK NT03s on the vehicle, and the vehicle did have solid motor mounts, a cob adapter, short throw adapter, and then it did have tint all around. The vehicle was straight piped when I bought it, so it did sound like a lawnmower when I started it every time. And then my very first mod was a high flow cob catted downpipe. And then that also didn't help of how the vehicle sounded. So I did go ahead and throw a ultra quiet vibrant resonator on the vehicle, and it does sound a lot better. Starting at the rear here, this is one of my first mods, was the wing risers, to go ahead and get those installed. And then the sequential turn signals on the mirrors, and then this is them operating. It is definitely an upgrade that I would recommend to any ST. Just blacked out, it looks good on everything in my opinion. So, and then with that, I did go ahead and get the gloss fog light covers, and then that was really nice. Just a small cosmetic mod. Mine was actually broken, so that is why I bought those. I did go ahead and get them. And then moving on to the performance side of things, I did get an Amazon high flow air filter, and then with the RS style cover. And then I did go ahead and get the NGK step coulter plugs. I am running an Edge Autosport tune, and it is stage 2 because I do have an upgraded intercooler. I did see that there was quite a few misfires on the access port when I was monitoring it when I first got the tune. Then after doing a little bit of research, I did see that the access port does not actually have, it is not very accurate with the misfires. And I don't have any problems with misfires on the vehicle currently, and it's been fine ever since I've gotten the plugs and the tune. Coming to the front here, I did go ahead and get a Depot Racing 3.5-inch intercooler. I did go ahead and buy charge pipes with that upgrade, and then as you can see, there is the air filter scoop in the front. Coming to the suspension here, I am sitting on I-back lowering springs. The vehicle is not as low as I would like it to be, but with the Colorado roads, it is just perfect of how the vehicle sits. This is the review of my 2017 Focus ST. I'm going to try to start uploading more content consistently. Right now, I'm not sure of what I'm going to be recording or what I'm going to be uploading, so I may be a little bit random until I find myself of what I want to make.